From this picture, we can see Barack Obama and his wife, Michelle Obama, when they started small. So don't you dare give up on your dreams. Keep dreaming, keep soaring, keep pushing. You will definitely get to the height of your dream. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome to Jogles Entertainment. Here, I'll give you hot gist of things that are trending in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. Please, if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with the times. We've got so many hot gists for you, sizzling hot gists. On Sunday, a pastor in his sermon released a vision he saw about singer Davido, that he has never met Davido, and that from what God told him or God ministered to him, that Davido will be poisoned by somebody in Davido's house. That Davido will be poisoned, will be rushed to the hospital, and that he will die. That he has asked God to change the vision, that God said no, that it will definitely come to pass. And regarding that, when Davido saw the message, because that message has also been trending, when Davido saw that, Davido drops a message. He said, God will expose and deal with any wickedness around me, near or far. Amen. I am blessed. That came from the desk of singer Davido. Well, we hope nothing bad will happen to you. So, from what we know so far, Davido has reacted to the prophecy by the yet to be identified clergyman. Regarding the prophecy surrounding singer Davido, Uche Maduagwu dropped a message. He said, marry Chioma within 21 days if you want God to expose all the wickedness around you. That came from the desk of actor Uche Maduagwu. That Davido should marry Chioma within 21 days, 3 weeks, if he wants God to expose all the wickedness around him. Yanyash is the dirtiest in the industry. Tiwa Savage and Sheishe exchanged insults in a saloon. Just watch this video of Tiwa Savage and Sheishe exchanging insults in a saloon.
I'm quiet. I don't say anything. I'm not going to respond publicly. I don't want to disgrace you or embarrass you or me because we're grown. But don't think you guys can do what you do. Don't think you can do what you do.
I'm not going to listen to this. You've got your facts wrong, so that's up to you.
Listen, don't come to me and think you can say hi with the dirty and disgusting spirit that you have. The dirty. Because if God should take my child, God should take him. If I've ever done or said anything about you or Victoria Kamani, bitch, I'm made. I have money. I have nothing to take from you. I'm not going to be high for a show and they'll say I should, because I'm getting.
You think that's all it is, Tiwa? If you want to start acting
else,
out,
I've never slept
acting
with
like
your
an
man.
abaya right now.
I've
Carry
never
on.
With your
I'm
man.
listening.
I've
Go
never
on.
taken a job
Go
from
on.
you.
The only reason why I greeted you is to try and squash all.
You don't try and squash shit by saying hi. You try and squash it by calling me in the corner and talking about shit. If I have an issue with you, I don't just say hi as if nothing. No, my nigga, you did a whole song. You and that bitch did a whole song. You went on interviews. You said shit. I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. Even before, if you don't open me, your Nyash is the dirtiest in this industry. You fucking horse slut. No, open me. Because think what you must like this, you will regret. Because think or not, everybody knows I went past on my shit.
Okay,
you look at you. You look half dead.
You are half dead.
You look half dead. Look at your skin. You know what? For clear skin, you need to mind your business. That's what will clear up your fucking ugly skin. Look at you, bitch.
The video you just watched has been trending on all social media platforms. Though Twitter has been banned in Nigeria, but if you can log in to Twitter using your VPN, you will see that video on Twitter. And Tiwa Savage fans have been supporting her for what she did, for the way she attacked the situation. Sheishe's fans have also been supporting her for the way she kept her cool. You know, from what you just saw, Sheishe wasn't really ready to express her feelings. She just went to say hi to Tiwa Savage, and Tiwa Savage had to expose her for what happened years ago. Not what happened recently. About what she got from Sheishe and Victoria Kamani. She just told her what she had in mind. And Tiwa Savage even went as far as swearing, using her only child, her only son, to swear. That is, man, Nigeria is becoming something else. You know, this swearing of a thing is It's not good. It's like playing gambling. We know people swear using their grandparents because you know, okay, if I swear and this it doesn't work out, my grandparent has enjoyed his or her life and the person can die in peace. But using your child to swear, well, that came from the desk of Tiwa Savage, or from the lips of Tiwa Savage, as you heard from her. She had to use her son to swear that God should take the life of her son if there's any falsehood attached to what she said to Seyi. Regarding this saga between Tiwa Savage and Seyi, someone dropped a tweet, FK. She said, poor Jam Jam, Omololo is just there enjoying his life, not knowing they have used him to swear in the saloon. His mom has actually used him to swear in the saloon. I said earlier, everybody has freedom of expression, so just tell us what you feel about what transpired between Tiwa Savage and Seyi in the saloon. Talking about our beloved country, Nigeria, so many things have been happening in this country. You know, Twitter has been banned in the country indefinitely. We don't know where Twitter will come back. And there's this thing that has been trending regarding the Attorney General of the Federation, where he says he has deactivated his Twitter account. And guess what? Guess what? He had to use VPN. And that is the same person that told us that if you are caught using VPN to access Twitter, you will be sent to prison. And he had to use VPN, the Visual Private Network, to access Twitter and to deactivate his account. And from what you can see from these pictures, he is also into cryptocurrency. There's an app on his phone where he uses to trade Bitcoin. And in Nigeria, they have asked us to avoid Bitcoin. That if you are caught doing any transaction regarding Bitcoin, you'll be sent to prison. What is really happening to us in this country? We are just confused. Still talking about the federal government of Nigeria, the Speaker of the House of Representatives shut down motion to reverse Twitter ban. There was this motion in the House that they should reverse this Twitter ban, and the Speaker had to shut down the motion. And what's really happening to us in Nigeria? Well, some people are okay with what is going on, some are not okay. Whatever you say, everybody has a right to say something. Just don't forget to drop your comment below. Still in the entertainment industry, we are still waiting for the Big Brother Nigeria Season 6. It will be dropping very, very soon. And from what I said in my last video, that this Twitter ban will affect Big Brother Nigeria because people will not have that access to express themselves. No, you have to pass through VPN to access Twitter. It's like stealing in some people's minds, because there was this pastor that came up and said anybody that is caught or that is using VPN, any Christian that is using VPN is committing a sin against God. And you know what that means? That the person will go to hellfire. And there are some other pastors that are using the Visual Private Network to access their Twitter accounts. Well, talking about the Big Brother Nigeria Season 6, which will be hosted by Ebuka, the Big Brother Nigeria dropped a message that we shouldn't miss a single moment. We should follow our Big Brother videos on Facebook for all videos, updates about the Big Brother Nigeria show. Twitter has been suspended in Nigeria. I know these Big Brother guys, they don't want issues with anybody. They've been following the government policies back to back, so they don't want any issues with anybody. So they've now said that for Big Brother updates, you should follow at Big Brother videos on Facebook so as to get updates on what is happening regarding Big Brother Nigeria Season 6 2021. Still talking about the Twitter ban in Nigeria, this thing has not been going well in the country. Reno Omokri drops a message. According to him, he said Pastor Adeboye has tweeted, Pastor Kumuyi has tweeted, Bishop Oyedepo has tweeted, Apostle Suleiman has also tweeted, we are patiently waiting for Malami to commence his arrest. Then he will know the difference between the pastor in Aso Rock and the ones on Christ the Solid Rock. Hashtag Malami come and arrest me. Hashtag Twitter ban. Hashtag keep it on. That came from the desk of Reno Omokri. Do you think the Attorney General of the Federation can keep to his promises by arresting those who are using Twitter? Can he arrest Pastor Adeboye, Pastor Kumuyi, and Bishop Oyedepo, and even Apostle Suleiman? What are your thoughts on that? Don't forget to drop your comment below. We also have this news in Africa. We've said a lot about our beloved country, Nigeria. Let's move on to the shores of Africa. Let's move on to another country, but in Africa, because Nigerian news is like good and bad, good and bad, good and bad. We keep hearing good news and terrible news in the country. But let us move on to South Africa. A South African woman gives birth to 10 children on the same day. She sets a new world record. The 37-year-old mother of twins has birthed 10 babies and broken the Guinness World Record on the most children born at the same birth. The lady welcomed her 10 babies on Monday, June 7, 2021 at a hospital in Pretoria. She was expecting to give birth to octuplets, but during delivery, 2 more babies were found. Her husband said her pregnancy was completely natural, adding they were happy to welcome their decuplets. The couple are parent to twins, aged 6 years old, and they will now have 12 babies. The babies born were 7 boys and 3 girls. Wow, that is huge. 10 children on the same day. Taking care of one child is difficult. 10 children on the same day, man. The government have to do something. They have to do something to assist you, man. Let us move on to the United States of America. Kim Kardashian wishes estranged husband Kanye West a happy birthday. According to Kim, she sent a message, "Love you for life." The equation no balance anywhere. How can you love someone for life and you have divorced the person? The person didn't cheat on you and stuff. Well, that is a topic for another day. We'll discuss that another day. According to reports, as thousands of fans around the world are wishing Kanye West a happy 44th birthday, his estranged wife has also decided to do the same despite their pending divorce. The Keeping Up with the Kardashian star took to Instagram Tuesday morning to share a short but sweet message to her husband of nearly 7 years. She said over a photo of her and Kanye with their kids, "Happy birthday, love you for life." End of quotes with an exclamation mark. Well, we've heard it from the desk of Kim Kardashian that Kanye West, she loves Kanye West for life. What are your thoughts on that? Anyway, don't forget to drop your comment below. Still, let us move on now to Europe. There's this terrible thing that happened in France. People have been complaining that if something like this happened in Nigeria, that person will be killed and killed and killed again. Someone slaps the president of France.
Oh! Oh! Vas-y, casse-toi de là! Enculé! C'est incroyable.
We'll keep you updated on that anyway because something is bound to happen. Thank you very much for watching Jugulis Entertainment. We hope you entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with the times. Take care of yourself and please have a lovely day.